today we're gonna be cooking kids because I'm really glitchy, so if I do bad, don't mind that. But we're gonna go in minigames lobby and start cooking kids. Infection. Because I'm bored, I want to get famous. So yep, and please subscribe. There won't be no music. You'll just hear me heavily breathing, and they do hear me. So let's begin. Make sure it's infection. Minigames Q. Alright, minigames. Alright, let's go cook. 3, 2, 1, action. Yep, my tracking's not as good.
He's hiding at beach. The last person.
What are you?
He's hiding at the entrance of beach.
Wow. Totally hiding at the entrance of beach. Totally. Totally not like he was just cranking 90s.
For real though.
Pumpkin.
Alright, whatever.
Bro, you're calling for me. I'm reporting you. Pumpkin hat, I'll come here. I'm reporting you. Give me your name. Give me your name for targeting.
Ooh,
Come here. Come here, bro. Give me your name for targeting. Pumpkin hat, give me your name for targeting. What the heck? Dog, give me your name for targeting, bro. Come here.
shit.
Someone is with a voice box. I mean, soundboard.
These guys are good. Why are these guys in minigames queue, bro?
Just to have fun, play minigames, try and walk through.
No, like, why are these freaking...
Play minigames.
Why are these full box kids trying to play? This, doing it like I'm to the purpose of recording.
At least you should be, because you're having some rare items, so you should.
I'm literally still left, bro. You're trying to roast me, it's not working.
Oh, I got distracted by the.
Bro, oh my god, yeah. Getting stuck on these branches.
I shouldn't done that. Hold up. I'll remember. Purple, come here. Where are you, Purple?
I'm on the walls.
Okay, you disappeared, so I can't find you. No.
Uh-oh. Guys, I'm cooked.
Yes.
Never mind, I escaped. Hey, yo, don't do that one, don't do that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shoot, I'm cooked beans. Gotcha. Well, now I'm really cooked.
Bro, soundboard. Yo, Purple just went right past me. How did I just... No,
Bro, I'm breathing so heavily right now. I ain't gonna try hard.
I was following every single move you're doing, Purple.
Bro, I'm going to try harder now, and I don't even know why.
I don't think you were, though. I think you just... I'm a little slow on ground, so please don't go on ground.
Dang it.
But yeah.
It was you and Pumpkin that were right by me.
I wouldn't get you if you were on ground.
Well, I kept falling. Here's the thing. She was lost. I was cooking right there.
And where is it finished?
How does it tell you? Should we tell
I
it?
just go to hell with a child. That's Sunday. That's my Sunday. That's Tuesday. But I wish you would run away with me and hit the highway.
Get destroyed.
Does anybody want to play Penis Grind 64?
Groundkeeper, groundkeeper!
I woke up. This is racist.
I want to play Penis Golfer 69. What the fuck did you
Purple's
say?
racist. He said the N-word.
I totally did. I totally said that
Play
anyway.
Penis Sucker. Also play Penis Sucker Simulator 54.
I hope you know I'm recording this. You're getting recorded.
Why? Good for him.
Before Mr. Ducky.
Post on YouTube. I'm
Oh,
gonna
you
see
will.
it.
You will. Go to Bolt TVR.
'Cause I love
Go to
Penis
Bolt
Sucker.
TVR.
They're very
Bolt
funny.
TVR 2.
Bullies.
Go to Bolt TVR 2 and you'll see it, bud.
I'm a guy.
Bolt TVR 2. Number 2.
Everybody subscribe to this kid.
Okay. Good.
You just got started.
Okay.
Oh, there's a lost kid.
Please. I woke up from you can't get me high.
What did I do to you?
Who's that?
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Bro, why do I have to be it, bro?
Hey, you're a mother. Banana smoothie.
Baka.
I keep doing targeted because of my.
That's all I need, kids, bro. Please subscribe with the other support him. But subscribe. No toxicity. The minigame seems so toxic. Yeah, it's lobby.
Shut up, you black bitch. Oh my god, please. Please. Let me suck your toes.
What?
Please. When they crunch. That's what I love. Oh god.
Alright.
Right there, you please. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Not gonna lie, that was crazy. They were doing a lot of what this says not to. But, yeah. We're also, let's go check out the new update while we're at it. So, this video is gonna be a rapid. Y'all in the comments say if I should buy this, bro. It's pretty cool.
Comment. Wait,
I have enough. 1,200.
where everyone
I don't even know where they all went, really.
Wait, hello?
Hello?
Hi. You got a YouTube
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Hello. Hello, YouTube.
I mean, I only have 7 subs, but I have a lot of views. I have 3,000 views in total.
Bro, that gotta go.
Do you think I should buy this?
Yeah. How much do you got a lot of sign ups
Oh, yeah.
for that?
I have 4,200. This is 4K.
Okay. That's a lot. I'd spend all my shiny racks, so I have like 1,000.
If you go into sewers or whatever they call that over there, do you think it would, like, does it separate us from our lobby or does it stay together? Because I'm about to go check that out.
We could separate us. It separates us, I think.
Ooh, I'm gonna try down this. This looks pretty goofy.
Maybe we could go into a code together, do some stuff.
Alright.
Like, you could do your YouTube video. I mean, you could still do your YouTube
Oh, I
video.
didn't even know
but-
this had these cards. Dang.
It's throwing cards. So, are you still
Yeah,
recording?
but I was just in a mini games lobby just cooking some kids. Got a little too toxic though, so I just left it. It went out of control.
Liz, do you want to join a code
Yeah.
together,
Yeah, sure.
please? Okay. What code should we do?
WWR. That might be my new fan code.
WWR? WWR,
Yep,
right?
and casual.
Casual, yeah. Join.
Bro, this video went so out of hand, but I'm just gonna keep posting it. Hopefully it gets views. Bro, I swear, if you didn't even join, bro, it's got me in here. This is my fit, by the way. Oh, shoot, never mind. No, it ain't.
I'm here. Bro, right the
Yeah!
fit.
I was actually just about to say that, but I didn't have my passport on.
Right,
I might change my fit. I matched with
right
my
the fit.
friend, but we might have to change our fit.
Bro, I'm gonna become a mini games kid. Hold on.
It's kind of crazy. The party house is actually the very first thing I go up.
I got a mini games like voice, but it's kind of like not like an actual mini games kid, but it's like this. Do you wanna play mini games?
That sounds like a girl. Oh, you are?
What you talk
Hey.
about? Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
Chess.
Don't you dare do some sussy
Nah.
things. If you know. Don't. Stop bumping in.
Bro, I really want the finger painting. I just want to go right here. $10.
Bro, Jamie and Curly had the
I have a
finger
finger painter too.
painter.
Look at it. Da, 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 da.
Break the fit. Bro, I have
I have a lot of badges.
the finger painter. Look, hold on. No,
Yo!
legit thought. But I also have the creator badge, but I'm not gonna put it out. I'm not gonna put it on.
I want the creator badge. How do they even know like who to give it to?
Because I am a content creator, but I just don't really
I
post.
A lot.
I post like
I have
each
about like
week.
100 videos. Most of them are cap cuts.
100. How many views do you
In
have?
total, if I check on my thing, I have 3K. And like 200 or 300 likes.
I wish they can open back up the building blocks.
I know, that was really fun. I don't know why they did this.
Bro, it says the monkey blocks have been cleaned up for now.
Wow.
What do they mean by
Alright,
for
let's go
now?
check out Frick-ass Drum Controller.
Have you seen those videos of that skull that says, "Don't you dare put me in the pot"?
In the pot. Nah. I don't think I saw that. You alright? Alright, I'm gonna check out sewers.
Sewers is so crazy. Have you been in them out?
I have not. Is it,
Okay, so
so
I'll
far
teach you
this
the
looks like a
way.
maze.
I'll teach you the ways. So
I can tell this is haunted.
it is really far
What the
away
frick?
from here. Yeah.
Where are you going?
I think it's this.
Bro, I swear if I get,
It's right
It's
over
over here. bro, I swear though, if I get jump scared,
Down here. You're probably not.
it's very foggy.
Come up here.
Dang,
Welcome.
computer's on. Cricket and there's all that.
And you can look at this haunted house though.
Is there jump scares in here?
No.
I just went through in the window.
Wait, Doug's here?
Wait, what?
Wait. No, it's a different Doug. It's Doug's girlfriend. It's Doug's girlfriend. he go?
You're holding
Where'd
her.
she go? What are you doing? Oh. Oh, look, watch. Watch,
Oh,
she's a lightning
yeah, I just saw
bug,
its butt
think.
cheek glow.
Because I thought, see her. Don't you dare put me in the pot.
Looks like I put it in the pot.
Come up here. Look at this painting. This is where I used to live. No, I'm just kidding.
Yo, I just found a... Yo, Doug needs to go on this baby
Nice
thing.
nature. I got the dumb
I
baby
saw on
turtle.
YouTube there was like a piano
No.
that works.
Hold on, I'm stuck. Help me.
The
Where'd
frick?
you go?
You
Where'd you
mean
go?
stuck?
Go
Oh
down.
dang,
Look.
somebody was fat.
I actually
And
like
queso
this
was
room.
eating.
It's a broken piano. It's a broken piano.
Does it work?
Put
Oh!
me in the pot. Where
Playing
are
the
you?
piano. It's really off tone right here, because this one ain't. Oh, it is high. Not off tone at all. Wait, let me see what
Bro,
this one is.
don't you dare put me in the pot.
Don't move.
Just be careful, because I think Lucy is
No
in
way,
here.
dude. I'd actually be so happy if Lucy's in here. What is that?
You know some of these ghosts are, so one of them is Echo. There's an Echo in here somewhere.
Bro, this looks creepy over here.
Let me see.
He's all creepy. There's a second on a Monday.
Okay, sorry. Echo's down there. I wonder where Echo is. Echo?
Echo! This is definitely like a
Be
graveyard.
careful, because I think just don't do anything that I want to
Alright,
do.
well, wow, this looks creepy.
What is that?
I think we found a secret thing, but
Don't you dare put me in the pot.
what's up there?
Bro,
What's the
where's
beauty thing?
Echo?
Are you sure is Echo here?
Come here.
Oh, I see him. Her, I mean,
Oh, here he is. He's over
is
there.
Echo a boy or a girl?
Echo is holding a monkey right now.
Echo's just, look at his jawline, bro.
Lucy! Lucy's right
No
there.
way.
Don't do anything I want to do. Don't freaking... Yep. See what happens when you mess with Lucy? She comes after you.
Be crazy if they already had Lucy. It's not really that close to Halloween, but it is actually really close.
Don't you dare put me in the
Alright,
pot.
well, the review on this place. Alright.
Wait, do this. Hold me. Come here.
Still the same trees, just with bigger stumps. Calm in, bruv.
Do this. Grab my arm and pretend to put me in the pot. Pretend it's a pot. Don't you dare put me in the pot. Bow.
Alright, well,
Yeah, put me in
the
the
review on here is alright.
pot. Come here.
We're gonna go do a fit check.
Come here.
I'm gonna go back to city.
Me too. Don't leave.
I'm already going.
Where are you? Where are you?
Think I'm going the right way. I remember all these turns, I think. Yup, I sure did. Oh, alright, I'm out. I made it out. Bro, this is way better than the other one. Skeleton. One skeleton is better. Got this drip. Alright, well. In the comments, tell me if I should be Doug. Or I should be Wrestler, do that. Jelly. Y'all honestly pick out my fit. I don't care. Doing probably a new fit change. I'm in the mirror. The city mirror. I'm in the city mirror.
Hold on, what'd you say?
I'm in the mirror at city. Yeah.
The mirror?
Bro, how do I take this? Alright. Bro, you just look like a ghost.
Don't you dare put me in the pot.
I'm probably gonna buy this, bro. And just put this on my foot.
Still have this throwing card.
Alright. Well, that's gonna be today's video. Like and subscribe.